hapa Rockfields. Kwa hiyo karibu na hiyo butchery imeandikwa Greenland Butchery. Niko hapo. Haya. Hello. Anakuja, anatoka hapo. Nimeweka hapo ndani nione. Ametoka tu sasa amekimbia narudi. Hello. Ladies and gentlemen. This is your guy. Ochibela. Well, it's another lovely early morning. They usually say early bird catches the worm. Yeah, today I think I caught the worm in the family, my guy. Well, it's 5:30 already, and I got the trip at around 5:20, and now I'll be heading towards Karen. Well, this is how often I usually wake up, 5. Well, I'm used to it, and even if I don't go to work, I wake up at this time. I'm around Umoja at this time, and I'm waiting for my client before we continue to the destination. So my client just went back to the house to pick something, and we'll continue with the journey. But as for now, I have to wait around this place. It's called the Greenland Butchery. Around this place, if you know it. As for now, I've got nothing but to wait. Yeah, so I believe this guy is gonna be great. I have a great feeling this day is gonna be fantastic. So anyway, I want to thank everyone who subscribed, watched, and supported me in my channel in whichever way possible. And I say thank you so much. I don't take you guys for granted. So as I wait, I need to see how long I need to go to the other location. But anyway, well, I'm already at Westlands. Hello. There's no light in my car, so the thing I'm doing is that I'm trying to find light from outside, the natural light, so you guys can see me on the camera, and it is working. Right now it's already, let me just check, it's already 6, and people are off to work, and I'm waiting for my client because she's going into a supermarket. She has to buy some stuff before we proceed to Karen. Yes, my guys. I am telling you, people are in a rush, ready going to work, man. Being a Monday, man, everything is rushing, everything is moving fast. Anyway, I believe I started my day really well. I believe things are gonna be okay. I am manifesting great things. Like I usually wake up and manifest great things for me, and that's what I'm manifesting today. I'm manifesting this day to be great. May it bring all the best that it has in store. May I see the best, and may you see the best that this life has to offer. Hello. Well, the city is already getting busy, huh? I mean, Monday now started becoming Monday. Everyone is already out, going to search. I was also up, man, as amongst the early birds, man. I think I caught the bird and the worm. Yeah, all of them at once. Or rather, I'm the bird, I've caught all the worms and the family. I mean, it is a great feeling to be this early this morning. So, I'm waiting for my client so we can continue to the next one. So I believe the destination for this client will be Karen. Yeah, so that's the next destination. So waiting for her to pick her stuff. Then we can continue to Karen, and yeah, voila. Then we can see what next. Then we can see which other side to move to. Yeah, my client is taking her sweet time. Let her take her sweet time. I'm here taking my sweet time, waiting for my turn to leave and head towards that place. Anyway, guys, I want to thank everyone who's been subscribing to my channel, everyone who's been watching, anyone who's been supporting me in whichever way. Guys, I don't take you for granted. You guys have done me a very solid one. For those who've been supporting me since, for those who are coming in right now, welcome to Tijuela Vlogs, man. We have a lot here to share, experiences to share together. I don't take it for granted. Keep on watching, my guys. Yo, so today the plan is that to see how long I can walk without stopping. Hopefully today is gonna be a nice day, because on Thursday and Friday was a bit difficult because there were no clients around, and today looks like there are clients. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So the reason as to why I'm saying fingers crossed is because it usually starts like this in the morning because people are rushing to work, then all of a sudden it goes dry. The whole town just goes into silence. But I hope this is not going to be the case today. I hope it's not going to be the case today. It'll be something different today. Hello. So I can even see my client coming. So let me wait for her to come in, then we can proceed. Yeah, but proceeding is by default. We have to do that. We always have to move. We have to be in the move for us to make money. If I stand in one place, I cannot make money, my guys. Anyway, so before my client gets here, because I can see she's already here, before she gets here, let me just say, let's meet in the next let's meet at the destination. I'm just losing the words to say, my guys. Hello. Just in the direction in which Maka is facing for me to be ready to leave whenever my client gets here. But she's taking a long time. I don't know what's really happening. The stuff are here. So I'm really hoping she doesn't stay there for quite a long time, my guy. Yo, boo. Yo. Definitely another stop. We've had multiple stops today before we continue. I believe this is the last one before we head to Karen. I thought that was the last one, but yo, this is the last one with this particular client, then we can head off. But I have no worries even if you have some more stops. I really don't mind it. So I don't know, with this time I should go add pressure on my tires. Let me go check on this side if there's a place to add pressure on my tires. I decided no need of going to add pressure right now. I'll do it a bit later because there's no need. I might go there and then my client just leaves the place that she's going to buy some foodstuffs. So to be on the safe side, I just stay here and wait for the client. Once she's done, then we're done. Then once I drop her, then I'll think of adding pressure on my tires because they still look solid. But yeah, they need a bit of increasing a bit. But that will only take like 5 minutes tops to do that, so I have no worries, and it can still run and still okay, my guy. Well, I have already, this is the place that I took my client. He already dropped, heading for the next pickup right here, like in the next 6 minutes.
Your message from Art Wings. Cop Station Karen.
As you can see, I'm on the next. This is the place I picked my client. It looks lovely. It's a lovely place. And now I'm heading to pick another client, another destination. My goodness, check that out, my guys. This place is superb. Is Karen for you, my guys, and that is the organization in which I brought my client to. Karen for you. This is Karen for you. The greeny suburbs of Nairobi. This place looks massively awesome. Love it. is now exactly 8 on the dot. Already dropped my second client. Yo, it's been back to back and I'm loving it. So I'm already within the city center, heading back to another place, because at the city center right now it's very difficult to get people. I'm going to some place, to the estates actually. It's easier to go to the estates, pick people, they come back. So I'm heading to one of the estates around, so I can stay there and see if I can fish. Remember, I'm a fisher of men. Yeah, my guy. Well, the traffic has taken its call. The traffic has picked its call, now it's on call. I have to wait for the traffic to finish before I can proceed. Yo, my lord. But yo, the thing is that I'm grateful because at this moment, if the traffic got me on the eastern spot, coming back to town or just going through town would be crazy because of the traffic from the other side to this side. I'm grateful because the traffic got me on this other side of the town, which is the uptown and the current areas. So it's easier for me to just maneuver and just go back, go to other estates. But if you got me in Eastlands, imagine I had to fight like almost 4 sessions of traffic for me to get to wherever I'm going to. But yo, I'm on this side, so I'm a happy guy. Guys, this is another trip. Lovely trip to Karen again. Back to Karen. I never knew I had some dirt here, guys. Yo, you guys, I'm always cleaning my face, whatever. You know, we're always glowing. Hello. We're always glowing. My guy. So, till to the next destination. Hello. That client dropped. Back to Karen. I'm still going to back the same place that I was in the morning. I go park there. I'm sure I'm gonna get something from that place. So yeah, my guy. Yo, my guys, this is Kikuyu town. From all the way from Nairobi and deep into Kikuyu town. Now, the difficulty here is now getting a ride back to Nairobi. Yo, it's gonna be tough, but I guess I get one. So, into Kikuyu town, or I might even go without because I need to go somewhere else. So let's see. Let's hope I'll get a ride here really fast, my guys. That I don't want to waste time, so I'll just go towards I think it is Kawangware, towards that side, because in Kikuyu town right now I cannot get any I believe I cannot get any rides right now, because the time of getting rides is already past around 8 there, but right now it's a bit difficult. But yeah, let's wait and see what happens next. now forced to join the highway so I can get to wherever I'm going to very fast. So I'm joining this highway is called a Southern Bypass. So I want to join the Southern Bypass all the way to the other side that I'm supposed to be going to. I'm sure here I'll not get a client, so it's up to me to now step on it. And yeah, we in the highway, my guys. Now this is one of the places that I can tell you there is a lot of nice scenario, but I don't know if my phone can show really nicely. But yo, I'll do my best to show you how it looks like. Jogoo Road, and since I'm in Jogoo Road, my guys, I have decided to go home and take some tea. I'm hungry. Yeah, so since I'm close to my mom's place, I've decided I'm gonna go put off my apps, take some smooth tea, second tea. Hello, I'm just hungry, man. Anyway, I just love food, my guys, so you have to understand my foodiness. My foodiness. Yo, yeah, the greatness of having a parent. It's lovely, man. Let me go take some breakfast, second breakfast, because I took the first breakfast at home, my wife's breakfast. I time to take my mom's breakfast, then alone back to work to look for that money. Anyway, man,